Ideas rarely arrive loudly. They slip into the room when you are not watching, like a quiet thought or a soft image you almost miss. I learned this the hard way. If I do not catch inspiration immediately, it disappears, which is why I never postpone it for later. Most often, an idea comes as a detail, a fragment of a dress, an unexpected motif, a rhythm of stitches, or a fabric pattern forming in my mind. In that moment, perfection does not matter. I take a pencil and sketch quickly, almost instinctively, as the line may be shaky, but the feeling is true. If the idea is made of elements, I arrange them on white and photograph the composition, fixing the moment before it fades. Over the years, I noticed something important, as the strongest inspiration comes during inner happiness. Not pressure, not struggle, but quiet joy. It may happen during travel, under new music, or near the sea. Sometimes it appears when loved ones are close. In that atmosphere, the design reveals itself fully, almost without effort. For a designer, seeing the whole idea is everything. When the vision is clear, work flows with ease and curiosity, and the crochet hook moves without resistance. Sitting before a blank page is the hardest part. Without an idea, there is no energy. Without energy, nothing meaningful is born. All my most successful crochet pieces began the same way. A clear concept, a thoughtful sketch, intentional colors. Each stitch had a reason to exist. Some of those designs changed my professional path. They are tied to happy moments in my life and carry memory, not just technique. One of these ideas became deeply personal. I dreamed of a white outfit for a birthday trip to the sea, light, airy, and honest. I imagined a skirt built from floral motifs, adding soft chain loops and curved mesh between them. The top needed short sleeves and calm balance. I chose Italian viscose for its gentle shine, letting single crochet meet half double crochet in steady rhythm, while double crochet gave the fabric breath and movement. That journey felt almost prepared for the design. The shore was empty, the sky dramatic, the sea alive, and everything aligned without effort. Those photos still feel unreal to me. As a skirt, later named Quincy, became iconic and is now one of the most loved patterns in our crochet school. After that, I began creating detailed courses. I remembered struggling with poor schemes and unclear diagrams, and I wanted something better for other women. Each tutorial is built with care and respect. Every stitch is explained, from chain loops to treble crochet. Every diagram is tested, and every step is recorded on video. Students often tell me they feel surprised, not by difficulty, but by how calm the process feels. Crochet becomes meditation, not tension. Seeing their finished work moves me deeply. An idea once living only in my mind travels further, finding new hands, new stories, and new homes. That is the real transformation. Crochet stops being only technique and becomes connection. I want to say something important to you. Not having your own design idea does not limit you. Creation has many doors. You can choose a ready pattern, adapt size, color, texture, and mood, and bring yourself into the fabric. That is where true handmade lives, in choice, intention, and quiet attention, in the time you allow yourself. Slow fashion begins here, with one crochet hook, one idea, one breath, and space to listen. So now I would love to hear you. Have you ever caught an idea unexpectedly during travel or joy? Did it change something in your creative life or beyond? Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video inspires you, please subscribe and turn on the bell. Your comments and likes help our channel grow and reach more creative hearts. Before anything else, we want to say thank you, truly, from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you to every single Patreon member who supports JThouse. Your support is not just a subscription, it's trust, it's belief in our vision. It's the reason we can continue creating couture designs, developing new courses, and hosting live workshops every single month. Because of you, our live online crochet school keeps growing. Because of you, we can experiment, design bold new pieces, and share every step of the journey, from the first sketch to the final stitch. You are not just supporters, you are part of our creative family. And we are so grateful to create this magic together with you. If you'd like to join our Patreon community, the link is in the description. We'd love to welcome you. Take a look at these incredible results. These are just a few of the breathtaking dresses our students have created using our detailed crochet courses. From beginners who started with simple doilies to advanced crafters, they've all achieved something extraordinary. And guess what? You can too. Meet Anna, one of our students from Poland. At a beautiful stage in life, she made her first crochet dress. And it turned out absolutely stunning. Now she's hooked and creating new dresses every season. If she can do it, so can you. Maybe you've always dreamed of making your own dress, but thought it was too hard or too complicated. Let me tell you something. We're here to change that. With our years of experience, detailed courses, and the best materials in the world, we'll guide you every step of the way. This is your chance to turn that dream into reality. Creating something as grand as a crochet dress isn't just about the final product. It's about the journey. When you finish a big project like this, you'll feel a deep sense of pride and respect for yourself. And trust me, that feeling is priceless. Imagine this. While everyone else is posting pictures of their doilies online, you'll be sharing photos of your handmade masterpiece. A dress that's uniquely yours. Let's be honest, they'll be green with envy. But more importantly, you'll have proven to yourself that you're capable of creating something truly extraordinary. And it doesn't stop there. Your family, friends, and even strangers will admire your work. Who knows? You might even start getting requests to make dresses for others. That's the power of mastering this craft. It changes how you see yourself and how others see you. Now, let's talk about style. When you have the skills to create your own dresses, you're no longer limited by what's in stores. You can design something that's 100% you. Choose the colors, the textures, the patterns, everything that reflects your personality and taste. That's true freedom. Handmade dresses aren't just clothing, they're a statement, they're a way to stand out, to show the world who you are. And the best part? You made it yourself, let's be real. Handmade crochet dresses can cost a fortune if you buy them. But when you make them yourself, you're not just saving money. You're creating something priceless, something that will turn heads and earn you respect. Not just from others, but from yourself. And once you've made one dress, why stop there? You can develop your own unique style, something that people will recognize and admire. Imagine being known as the woman who creates stunning, one-of-a-kind pieces. That's the kind of legacy you can build with crochet. So, what are you waiting for? If you've ever dreamed of creating something extraordinary, now's the time. With our courses, our support, and the best materials in the world, you can make it happen. Click the link in the description to explore our courses and start your journey today. Your dream project is just a few stitches away. Let's create something extraordinary together.